So, how does India's most beloved teacher suddenly end up at the center of a massive criminal controversy?
It all kicks off on the night of June 2nd in Patna with a completely terrifying violent attack. A mob heavily vandalized his coaching center, brutally beat a security guard, and literally fired gunshots. But here is the crazy twist. Within days, the victim was suddenly charged with attempted murder.
Talk about a paradox. The media went from praising his cheap classes to suddenly calling him land mafia. He's got 2.6 crore subscribers. So why did the narrative turn against him so aggressively, so fast?
Well, the sources argue the real reason isn't what the authorities are claiming. Let's zoom out a bit.
To understand why, we got to jump back 1 month to that huge, controversial NEET exam paper leak. Over 22 lakh students were affected, and Khan Sir became a super loud voice demanding real accountability. He passionately defended poor students and went right after the government's testing agency for their massive failures. Things drastically escalated during a fiery May 29th television debate about these huge student protests. Instead of grilling authorities, a prominent news anchor aggressively attacked the protesting YouTube teachers instead. Khan Sir fired back hard, completely blasting the anchor for spreading fake news and abandoning journalistic ethics. Now look at this rapid 9-day chain reaction. He criticizes the media, and immediate retaliation follows. We're talking a massive, coordinated crackdown, swift police action, sudden safety audits, and intense media trials. It literally culminated in a staggering 2 crore rupee defamation lawsuit filed by that exact same anchor. But what about that June 2nd attack? Well, the source says it actually involved a rival coaching institute. Mysteriously, police drastically shifted their narrative within just 24 hours to directly implicate Khan Sir instead. And guess what? This isn't an isolated incident. Surprisingly similar events started happening over in Allahabad. It's a clear pattern. Teachers who supported student protests in Allahabad instantly had their coaching centers sealed. The source argues this is a calculated strategy, a way to silence, divide, and intimidate youth organizers. Which leaves us with one vital question. If educators are targeted, who is left to defend the students?